don't regret this thing at all.
I did a bad thing.
And you're wondering what it is. Tell you what I did.
Tell you what I did.
I did a bad thing. Happy. How do you do it? Happy hump day. Can you tell I've been watching one too many TikToks? Excuse the state of me, I don't know what to do with all of this. I've literally just got out of bed, so. Welcome to a stay-at-home vlog. I faked on my face last night. I woke up and I feel very glowy. I use the Isle of Paradise, that's what they're called. Yeah, Isle of Paradise tanning drops, but I've been tanning in the garden when it's been sunny. Well, for the past few days the weather has been crap, which I think has affected my mood massively. I just want to go back to normal. Like, I'm just so bored. Sam's at work every day apart from the weekend, so he's at work every weekday, so I'm at home by myself, not living with my parents anymore. So the one chance that I get to go to Lidl during the week, I'm so thankful for. I'm actually currently watching Wizards of Waverly Place. Disney Plus, I've got to say, I don't know if it existed before lockdown, but it's honestly getting me through. I've watched all of Hannah Montana, watched the Hannah Montana movie. Obviously, I was an emotional wreck at the end of Hannah Montana. If you're new here and you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Join my little family. I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, I'll take you along my day. I am on the hunt for some decorative pillows and a new throw for our bed. These are just some basic fluffy ones I hate, but I bought them from Argos when we first moved, or before we first moved in. They don't look awful, but I want like the, you know, when there's like 3 big ones, 2, and then a couple of little cute ones. Absolutely obsessed with these prints I got from Desenio. This one says, "Thank you for reminding me what butterflies feel like," and then just a little couple on there. Absolutely love these. I need to order some more for the rest of the house, but yeah, you'll get little sneak previews. Now I'm going to use my little Silky Skin laser. I've had this for quite a while, but I haven't used it religiously, so during lockdown I'm trying to use it more. I don't actually know if I'm doing it properly, but and I haven't been using that long to say whether it's working or not. On the top you get different settings, so you can turn it down, and I think you're supposed to start on the lowest and build it up as you use it more. I've just gone in with the highest one. I don't know if that's bad or not, but on like the more like on my legs I can use this higher setting one, but on the like under my armpits and stuff like that I use the lower settings. But it's not painful, it's just like a little sting and then goes away. So it's almost midday, so I need something to eat because I'm starving. I've got Courtney Black's ab challenge workout at 12. We'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna have Weetabix with a bit of fruit and a coffee. Let's go get some abs, baby. I'm scared. This is her. And then she posts a timetable every Sunday. So I have my little setup. I need to get a mat actually. She gives me so much energy. see you after. That was hard. 1,000 reps done. So I'm quickly just gonna have something to eat. I think I'm gonna have avocado on toast with poached egg. Oh, I just forgot, I bought these ciabatta. Don't know what it is at the minute, but every time I make a poached egg, they just don't go right. Like, it all just comes out as yolk and no white. I always season my avocado and my eggs with just salt, pepper, and then I've recently started putting steak seasoning on. Don't ask me why, but it actually tastes so good. This is the pepper and garlic steak seasoning. Let's get into these eggs. Oh yes, perfect. Let's see this little one. Come on, yeah. I have makeup on. And Sam has not long got home and brought this monstrosity into my house. Just kidding, we've got so much stuff in the garden that needs to go. All of that. Oh look, there he is. Have fun, Sam. So I'm not helping because it's raining and I've just put makeup on. So I'm going to tie dye my tops instead. Let's go read the packaging and I'll show you which one I bought from Amazon and what I'm gonna do. Fingers crossed for me. Okay, so I've got 2 tops that I want to do. So we have this one. I don't know if the colour's coming up as well on the camera, but this is like a camel tan coloured top, which I got from Cat's Got the Cream, which is now called Pharaoh, I think. I've got a stain on this somewhere, so I thought using brown tie-dye it might look quite funky. And then the same with this pretty little thing hoodie. It's not a hoodie, it's a sweater. There's a few little marks on it and bobbles and stuff, so I just want to jazz it up a bit because I don't really wear it that often. This is the dye that I bought, One Step dye. Why isn't it in focus? And I got it in brown. So you just add water. I've never tied out anything in my life, so I hope it works. So we've got this. So it comes with the elastic bands. You get some plastic gloves, which probably won't fit my hands because mine are tiny. But this is just from Amazon. It was like £6. I'm gonna have a read over this and make sure I know what I'm doing before I cause absolute havoc. Let's do this. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So I've wet both tops and just put this down, and I want the effect to be like this one. I don't want the swirly shit. I want this. I'm literally watching so many TikToks and YouTube videos, I literally don't know what to do. Do this first, we'll scrunch it all. Don't think there's a... that looks like how everyone does it, I think. That's not bad actually. And then how do you do the sleeves? How do you put it together? It's too big. Is that looks done? Oh, these are gonna snap. Okay, we're done. Look at that cute little love heart. So they're done. Not sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm gonna give it a go. I kind of want to do this one with just normal bleach. Okay, I've just filled this with water. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Right, here goes. I don't know if this brown's a bit like too red. Oh, we've fucking done it now. I don't know how I feel about this. Is it brown? I can't tell if it's brown, if it's red. It's like maroony. There's little splodges of red in it. Oh shit. I don't know if I've not mixed it properly. We're gonna go with this one now. And if I've just ruined 2 of my tops, cool. So these, they look red. I'm scared. And this one's now got pink splodges all over it as well. This one, I don't know, I feel like this one could work. We shall see. How long do we leave it now? Okay, I've just watched this girl on TikTok whose tie-dyed hoodies look amazing, and straight after she's just done what I've just done, she's opened it up to see if there's any bits that she's missed and then gone over it. Do I do that? And then put it in a bag and leave it for 3 hours, then rinse it out. I'm not mad at that. The back's looking quite bare. Was that a mistake? Probably. Let's open that and see. Oh, I quite like this one. It does still look really red though, which is kind of annoying me, but I hope when it dries, it will be more brown. Let's put some more here. This is fun. Now I know why people do this. I'm happy with these, but I want to use all the dye. Do I do a white? Should I go get a white top? Do I have anything else? I have this little Nike white bodysuit that I don't really wear all that often, and I have a black one as well, but I want to test this on white. I might put more water in there. Why can't I speak? In the thing, because there's still a little bit left, and if I can get this like quite a nice faded brown, like a, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I'm gonna go and do this. But the others don't look too bad. It's just bugging me that the colour isn't, it's like red, and I don't know why. I don't know if you can see or if it's literally just because of this light. I drained the dye quite a lot, so now it looks like it's come out quite a pinky colour, but if it turns into like, I don't know, a peach, because in the bottle it still looked quite dark, but I'm not mad if that's the colour it's going to be. It's like a nice washed pink if it is pink. Oh, I don't look like a hot mess at all. Ugh. Chop all the trees down, he said. It will be fun, they said. Yeah, and then the day you decide to get a van to come and clear everything, it pisses it down. He asked if I could help him, so I just started sweeping up. It was only spitting, and then it started coming down really, really heavy. I'm soaked. You can see he's got rid of so much, bless him. Don't mind me looking all sweaty. Just been learning some new TikTok dances that may or may not go up. Slightly embarrassing. Let me show you one actually, one sec.
Look out, I think Moto likes you. I like 'em chunky. I like 'em plumpy. I like 'em round with something.
That's good, babe. Well done.
I can't throw it back, so I'm hungry.
Same, tired.
Can't be bothered to cook tonight, so we are having curly fries and these burgers. Yum! Excuse all the salt there. Look at that cheese. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Now for the best. Out. Can't wait to get my eyelashes back. Oh, that one was painful. Just done my tan on my face. Using these, I really want to get the dark ones. These are medium, I want to get dark. Now I'm going to use this Nano Lash. I put this on every night before I go to bed onto my eyelashes since I've had my lash extensions taken off, and I feel like it's working quite well. My sister got it me at the start of lockdown and it's working wonders. You can see how long they're getting. I just feel like they're getting longer and fuller. Someone's watching my TikTok. I love how glowy those tiny drops make my face. That's just come from the beach. I wish.
Goods and selling them cheap to locals. His mate Pete agrees. Everybody wants to buy stuff what he makes, right?
Trying to get some mascara on these lashes. I don't have any. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow with my tie-dye results. Sorry if you can hear Sam. He is playing on his Xbox. Right, I'm just going to quickly show you the tie-dye. It's worked well, but I'm just pissed at the colour of this one. I don't understand. I like the splodges, but it's pink. Like, I bought a brown expecting it to be like, put something on the screen where you can see what I wanted, and this is what I've got. I mean, it's not completely dry, but like, that's pink. And then the other top was just a fat flop. Actually, this isn't that bad, but again, it's red. So with this one, I'm actually gonna bleach it, you know, because it's a bit darker.
Fucking God! What the fuck? Why am I doing the fucking wall? Oh my God!
Anyway, with this one, I'm gonna bleach it tonight.
Oh wow!
Oh my God, shut up! And then, the final one, I'm not mad at this one. I'm a little bit, but oh my God, you're not gonna be able to see it. Can you see that? It's really, really subtle. It's like a baby pink. It just literally looks like I've stained the top. So that was the biggest fail ever. I have a Pretty Little Thing haul coming soon. That just got delivered today. It's on buzzing. That's like the first bit of shopping I've actually done in quarantine. Yeah. That's the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. My Instagram and TikTok are nikita.norcus, so I'll pop them below. So feel free to go and follow me over there. Bye.